Alright, making a not draft physics video presentation and not draft science. So GoDaddy is telling me that my website works. Okay, I can't load it. Alright, so it doesn't load. The base domain is donotgo.com. Alright, and all the other websites are on top of that. But anyway, so I'm just curious to people, can you access my draftphysics.com website? Because I can't. And they say there's no problem, but it doesn't make much sense that Verizon, a pretty big company, is somehow wasting its time blocking my little IP address. It doesn't seem very likely. So if you have Verizon, that would be even better because that would show that it's obviously Verizon isn't blocking it. We have a message from the insufferably 2 hours waste your life crappy customer service horseshit. Okay, and it's just you can't say anything about it's just so bad. Let's see. I apologize. So I'm hearing clicks, but I don't see any messages. So that's pretty funny. So yeah, nothing happening. All right. So I don't know what the clicks are. I have no idea because nothing showed up. Nothing. Maybe he stuck some other messages in here, to try to pretend he wasn't an idiot. Ugh, yeah. I mean, this is just the crap you go through, right? I mean, they put your website on a shitty server. They don't want to fess up that that's what they've done. And yeah, Verizon isn't going to waste a bunch of its resources trying to connect to a shit server. So yeah, it's blocking it in the sense that it realizes it's a shit server and it says, we're not going to waste resources trying to connect to this piece of shit. And so GoDaddy just won't tell the truth that yes, they've put my website, in Crapolia, and I mean, this happened before, you know, but because I can't do anything, I can't FTP, I can't change any of the settings, I can't do anything. So it just makes the whole idea of paying them every month kind of useless if I can't create the website. So anyway, I don't think there's any useful information in this pointless and stupid chat. So anyway, anything I need to hide from anyone's view? It's just so irritating. I have to make sure I did scroll. That was sort of a mistake of mine. But it's probably not readable, right? Yeah, I'm sure it's not readable. All right. I mean, even the GoDaddy website, right? Even their page isn't loading, right? A pile of shit. So anyway, yeah. So this isn't going to work if you're going to respond 2 days later because I'm sure. Well, I can't even be sure, right? I mean, I can say, oh yeah, they're going to fix it by then, but yeah, I don't know. I'm sure this is it. Yes, this is my page, timed out. Alright, so so it's just a junk video. Total distraction, ruined my whole day, blah 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 blah. I mean, it's just really irritating. This bullshit, this runaround. Oh, check your browser. Clear your cookies. I'm saying, no, you idiot, you're not getting it. I can't use FileZilla to access it either. This isn't about a fucking browser, you fucking idiot. God, customer service. Fuck. It's just so. God, if you ever have to call any utility, it is just such a nightmare. Ugh. And the chat's worse, right? I mean, it just takes even longer.